Focus. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be coming to you guys with gonna be showing you guys this natural glam makeup look. I guess I don't really know what to call it. Yeah, I'll say it's like a natural everyday beat or whatever. I'm gonna be showing you guys this, and I'm also gonna be vlogging the process of me going to these different places. So if you guys are interested in seeing this makeup look, I'm also going to be showing you guys my outfit in the next clip. So if you're interested in seeing those, then just keep on watching.
emergency stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Okay guys, so you know the lighting in my closet is pretty bad, but this is the only place I can like give you guys a full body. Okay, so this bodysuit is from Pretty Little Thing. These pants are from Pretty Little Thing. This jacket is from PacSun, and I just have on my Vans. And this necklace is from Juicy Couture, I think. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I thought this outfit was perfect for like going to class, going to the bartending places and stuff like that, you know. So okay, I'll see you guys in my next clip. Okay guys, so that concludes the makeup and outfit portion of this video. Now I'm going to be moving on to vlog style clips for you guys, so you guys can see the whole process of me going to apply to some bartending jobs. Wish me luck, because I need a job ASAP, because I got some trips coming up. I need a stack, okay? If you guys are interested in seeing that as well, keep on watching. Alright y'all, this is stop number 2. Where did we just come from?
LaRue Lounge.
Oh.
LaRue Lounge is the real name.
We just came from LaRue Lounge and applied to our first bartending job of the day. And now we're at Treasure Club. That's luck, okay?
Okay, you see the little. So we going in this door.
Okay guys, so I'm back in the house. My hair look kind of crazy. I'm back in the house. It's about 7:16. I gave you guys a couple clips of me, you know, going out and where I applied and all that stuff, but of course I couldn't like have a camera in a potential employer's face, so I tried to show you guys as much as I could. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought down below. If you did enjoy, be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure those post notification bells are on. I'm about to take this makeup off, get in the bed. I'm tired. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.